Welcome back to Redneck Garage channel. We're going to show you how to make a shitter hose for your camper. Lowe's, baby, Lowe's. They sold this hose, I'm guessing it's 3-inch by 20 foot. It was $17. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know. I don't even know if the hose is a good idea. I don't know. I'm new to this camper thing with the emptying the shitter tank thing. I mean, you know, shitter's full. Don't matter how you get it empty. We gotta empty it. And this was like $4. So we're gonna get these open, guys. We got them open. I got my slinky here. Dude, this thing is... I might have to play with this thing before I use it. I don't know. But you just take your adapter here and put it like that. See if I can do this one-handed. If I can do this one-handed, guys, you can do it no-handed. Okay? Just slide it down. Let's see. Slide it down like... Kidding me. There we go. Do a couple rings on it. All right. Now, I'm gonna do a zip tie. I would do a hose clamp, but the hose is kind of thin. Oh no. I don't think I got a zip tie big enough. I'll have to get one from work. But anyway, put a zip tie around it. I don't know what they exactly want you to put around that thing. But yeah. So I don't know. Maybe put another ring around it. I don't know. I'm losing hoses as we go here. You may not even be supposed to be put anything around it. I don't know, but I'm gonna put a zip tie around it. I'll have to get one. I got a whole bag of them at work that are long like that. I'll grab one for that and everything. So, oh, where's the trash at? I forgot I took the trash to the street. I'll have to put it in this bag, take it in the house. So yeah, guys, that's how you make a shitter hose when your shitter's full. All right. I'd show you guys how to use it, but that's kind of gross. So you'll have to figure that one out on your own. All right, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.